Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the watch and exposing the movement. Use a soft cloth and remove the strap if it blocks access. Once done, undo the tiny screws or gently pry the snapback with a plastic opener so you don't scratch the case. Make sure to work in good light. You need to identify the battery type, usually CR 2032 or 364. And note its plus/minus orientation, because you will reinstall the new cell the same way. You now remove the old cell without damaging contacts. Use plastic or ceramic tweezers so you avoid shorting the circuit. Once done, release any retention clip or tiny spring carefully and put screws or rings into a parts tray so nothing gets lost. If contacts look dull or corroded, clean them with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol and let dry. Cleaning improves conductivity and helps the new battery last longer, so take your time here. You insert the new battery with the plus and minus oriented as noted earlier. Press it into the holder and reseat any clips, springs, or insulation exactly where they came from. Once done, test the watch functions, look for the second hand or digital display activity, and set the time using the crown. Make sure the case back is sealed evenly. If you removed gaskets, replace them to preserve water resistance. And if it still fails, try a new battery or check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.